Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Olufemi Michael. I'm a data analytics instructor. Today we'll be looking at the advanced method of filtering in Microsoft Excel. Now before I continue, if you are here to watch the video I uploaded last week on sort and filter feature, ensure you do. I know it will help your learning. Now, to locate advanced feature in Microsoft Excel, you will see it under your data tab. When you click your data tab, you will locate it here. Now, what I want to do is that I want to filter this particular column C, and the focus is these three names: Olufemi Michael, Idisage, and Mensa Michael. I want to have insight to their information. Don't forget, their information is on this table. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to click my advanced. Now let me clear this. Let me also clear this. Now, list range. Now the list range will be my table. So I will click this arrow and select my table. I will hit my enter. Now, criteria range. Of course, that will be this column K. So I will click this arrow and select. Then I will hit my enter. Now, then you will click here, copy to another location. That is where you want your result to be. So you will click this arrow. For me, I want it to be here. I want it to be here. So I will click. Then I will hit my enter. Then I will press OK. Now, if you look at the result now, you will see that I have automatically filtered these three names inside the customer name, column K. So now we can now have insight to the date, the country, the bonus, and the customer rating. This is how you can make use of advanced method to filter your table in Microsoft Excel. I hope you've learned something again today. Make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.